Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to resolve if the HD Audio Background Process Service RAVB G64.exe is experiencing high disk or CPU usage. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward tutorial, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. Open up the Start menu, type in Device Manager. Go ahead and left click on that to open it up. Double click on the sound, video, and game controller section, double clicking on it one time. And then there should be something that says an audio device of some sort. You want to go right click on it and select update driver. Select browse my computer for drivers. And then let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Go ahead and left click on that. Select next. Select yes. And give it a moment here. Should say it has successfully updated your drivers. Go ahead and select close. Close out of here. And restart your computer and see if that has resolved the problem. Another thing you can go ahead and try here would be to open up the Start menu. Type in Services. Best result should go back with Services listed right above App. Go ahead and left click on that to open it up. And you want to locate the Realtek Audio Manager service if you have one listed in here. Again, it would say Realtek Audio Manager, and you would just double click on it. If the server status is stopped, you want to go start it, and if it was started, you want to stop and then start it up again. Basically, you just want to restart it. And again, see if that does resolve the problem. If startup type is anything other than automatic, you want to go change it to automatic. And then again, like I said, apply an OK to save that change. You would need to restart your computer as well. And that would be about it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.